If you've ever felt weary, he understands that. If you've ever felt betrayed, he understands that. If you've ever felt tired, he understands that. If you've ever felt frustrated, he understands that. If you've ever been hurt in the context of a relationship, he understands that. And I just want to encourage somebody under the sound of my voice that there is nothing you would ever feel or nothing you're feeling right now in your heart, no trouble, no sorrow, no heaviness of heart that the Lord cannot understand. He lived a human life for 33 years just without sin. And I like to remind you of this all the time. That is for this reason, my brothers and sisters, I want to encourage as many of you as possible to stop sanitizing your prayers when you go into the presence of the Lord. That when you get in there, that's the place to be honest and to cry and to tell him you're angry and to tell him you're lustful and to tell him you're vengeful and to tell him help me with pornography and help me with masturbation and help me in my marriage, and tell him you're mad. It's okay for you to tell him you're mad at him. He can handle all of your real emotions. It's crazy to me that people will go into the presence of God and try to hide from someone who is sovereign. What a lot of you need to feel when you go into your secret place is release. He is a loving Savior that will listen to everything that's happening in your heart. He understands the frailty of your humanity.